Hey besties, Marquita here, and this is just a quick video. I let you guys know in the community tab that I will show you from one of our besties. She received so many things from the multicolor collection, and she reached out to me before. She was returning a high-rise bum bag. I wasn't interested in a high-rise bum bag. You guys know I have been after the Speedy 25 bandolier from the multicolor collection. So we kind of talked back then a couple of months ago, but she sent me a message and she was basically like, OMG, her handbags, 2 of her handbags are turning yellow, guys. They are turning yellow. She hasn't even had these handbags long. Basically, she said she's worn them, what, 4 times max? Guys, I have to show you the pictures. And this is, in all of my videos, they are not to put LV down. You guys know 95% of my handbags in my collection are Louis Vuitton handbags, okay? So this is not to put them down, but this is just to bring awareness. I want you guys to not overlook these things, you know, especially if you just received your items. You have 30 days. Take them back. Even if it's past 30 days, guys, your handbag should not be changing colors at all, okay? Unless you made a mistake and it's color transfer. But this clearly is not color transfer. The canvas, I mean, guys, it's turning yellow, okay? And I also want to point this out as well. A lot of you guys are saying, hey, I'm still going to shop at LV, I'm still going to do this, and I'm not here to stop you. I told you I would still be purchasing handbags if the quality wasn't so bad. So guys, I am only putting out these videos hoping that it will get to the higher ups, and they can honestly pay attention and see exactly what they are doing before it gets worse, before we honestly chunk the deuce and be gone. Okay, so I'm going to show you these handbags. You guys let me know, and guys, please, after the video, check your items from these collections. Cherry Blossom, the multicolor. I don't care if you purchase in December, January, whenever you receive your handbags. If it's 30 days out, check your handbags. If you see anything wrong, take it in. Check the alignment, zipper, and now the coloring of the canvas. Okay, so here are a couple of pictures, guys. Just look at them. You guys let me know if you ever experience anything like this on your lighter canvas handbags. Okay, so here it is. She was totally bummed out, and I want to point this out as well. Bestie, when you sent this to me via DM, I noticed, this is what bothers me. You stated you were scared to reach out to your SA because you had already returned your high-rise bum bag. Listen to me. If she gets upset with you, that's not a real SA that's in your corner. Her job is to keep you happy because you are honestly keeping her happy by giving her these constant sales. I mean, you really did your big one with this multicolor collection, and I am so happy for you. So she should at least, I mean, any decent human or customer service rep wants to see their clients happy. That's their job, okay? So don't be afraid. I don't care if you bug her. I don't care if she gives you a smart little attitude. Let her keep the attitude. You pay good money for your handbag. Take them in. And I know you are afraid that, you know, 9 times out of 10 you probably will not get a replacement. I would say in the next year and a half. But I wouldn't just settle. You can't just settle. You can't just let them give you anything and be okay with keeping your money. So guys, I showed you the pictures. You let me know what you think. And honestly, if you were in this situation, would you just chunk it up like, hey, I know I'm not going to receive another handbag, and if I do receive a replacement, it's going to take a while? Would you honestly just keep your mouth shut and just ignore the yellowing? I think this color change is going to spread and get worse. You guys let me know. I think she needs to put her foot down and go in and let them know her essay, or walk straight on in and show them. You can always get a refund, and you can always check. Please check to see if you can get a replacement. Guys, you just don't know. So bestie, thank you so much for bringing this to my attention. And again, all of these videos, they're not just me trying to bring LV down. I told you guys, this is my favorite luxury brand when it comes to handbags, belts, and even shoes. I want them to do better. I want them to do better by the people. I want them to do better by the CAs that are actually working their butts off and helping their clients, okay? So guys, let me know if you have ever experienced this with any of your handbags in your collection, and if you had an issue with the multicolor collection yourself. So again, this is just to bring awareness. Let's chit chat in the comments, and guys, let's help our bestie. She is so hurt by this. She's been waiting on this collection, and like I said, she racked up, on this multicolor collection. She spent big money, okay? And this happened to 2 items, 2 handbags. And so bestie, we are not here to blame you. You haven't had them that long, but we are here to help. So please take our advice. I say take them in. Either get a refund, or if you want to be patient and just keep your fingers crossed and hope you can get a replacement. But guys, check your items tonight whenever you get home, or check them now. And if they tell you that they have a multicolor item that just hit store, guys, we all know about the return rate. Go in and inspect those items before walking out of the door, okay? As always, guys, stay safe, be blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.